Hi, this is Steve. I'm a technician with a school district in Western New York. We're using Apple Configurator to deploy our iPads, and we want them all supervised. Now, this morning, Apple updated to iOS 7, and we ran into an issue where our supervised iPads, when we were preparing new ones, were automatically updating to iOS 7. We don't want that to happen because we want to stay consistent with all the iPads in the district running iOS 6.1.3 at the moment. So I was a little confused about how to get around that, so I called AppleCare Configurator support, and they showed me a little trick. So you'll see I've got one device plugged in right now, and I have supervision turned on, which is what we want to do in the district. But when you do that, you're not able to change this update iOS setting. You'll see that if I turn supervision off, I can change that to select a different option, but that's not what we want. We want supervision on, and so now I'm kind of stuck. So I was confused. I gave them a call, and they taught me a little trick to bypass that. You'll see when you click on the Devices menu, you've got these couple options. However, if you hold the Option key and then click Devices, you're presented with an additional hidden option, Edit Custom iOS Versions. So if you click on that, it gives you this window. By clicking the plus button, it allows you to choose an IPSW file. Now, the IPSW file is the custom iOS installation file for each different model of iOS device. There's places you can get these online. I can't direct you to those places, but they exist. A quick search could lead you to them. So what I have plugged in right now is a first generation iPad 2. So that's iPad 2, 1. So I'm just going to pick that IPSW file. You'll see the version 6.1.3. That's the one I want to install. So after I've selected that and clicked Open, you'll see it ends up in my list here, and I'll click Save. Now you'll notice that I have an option here with Update iOS. I can select a custom version. So by choosing that, I am able to retain my supervision while installing a custom version of iOS, which in this case would be 6.1.3. Then all you have to do after you've done that is click the Prepare button, and you'll see that it starts unpacking the IPSW file that you selected. And I'm not going to make you watch this whole process, but I promise you that it will unpack the file and then install it onto whichever devices you currently have selected for preparation. I've done this a few times this morning. It's worked flawlessly. After this completes, you're then presented with your typical device, which you can supervise and manage as though it was any other device. The only difference is that you were able to manually choose what version of iOS to install there. So it works pretty great. If you have any questions about that, I'd recommend calling the AppleCare Enterprise Support. They can talk you through it. They were super helpful. The few times I've called them in the past, they've been great. So good luck with everything, and we hope everybody has as good success with this as I have this morning. Thanks. Bye-bye.